Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to check whether your system or PC supports Windows 11 and how you can do this up. We're going to talk about the official method by going to the Microsoft official website and how you can check this up. Let's get started. So in order to do this, you just have to follow my instructions. So what you have to do is just have to follow the instructions till the end. So some of you guys are having a trouble quite for often days because in some PCs it does not support, or the PC is not supporting to install the Windows 11 and how you can completely fix this up. So we're going to talk about how to fix this completely. So let's get started. So what you have to do is, first thing is, you just have to open your Google Chrome, and I'll be providing a link in the description which will take you to official Microsoft, and from there you have to check. So as you can see that the minimum requirements is system requirements are there. So you can check yourself, like, you should be having 4 GB RAM, 64 GB, 64-bit should be there, and all these things are completely written over here, and this should be there. And also there is a check for compatible download app which have to download it on a PC. And now as you can see that I have downloaded, which is around 13.5 MB. So you just have to open this once it's successfully downloaded, and once after that you just have to follow the normal instructions, like, you just have to follow the instructions, like, install the particular app on a PC, like I accept the terms and license agreement, go for install, and you just have to finish it. And once it is done, just click on finish, and probably the app will be opening on your PC or laptop. And from there you will be asking, there will be having an options like you can check whether the performance, I mean not the performance, but what kind of your PC or laptop is there. Mine is around 8 GB RAM, 250 GB SSD, and 2 years old, as you can see that on the left side. So now I have to click on check now, where I have to check whether my device supports or not. So once, in most cases, you will be getting an options like it is supports or not. If it is not, it is not. In such a way it will be there, and this is what it's all when it comes to how to check officially, and you can do this up. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video.